Paul here with another video. Been up really early this morning with my dad. He's been doing some photography and I've been doing obviously videoing with the Lasernut. So we've been up here since 5 o'clock this morning. Had a lot of fun with the Lasernut. It's going absolutely fantastic. The new drive shafts on it, touch wood, no problems now. I heard it was possibly getting overcooked in the factory, that batch of shafts, so we'll see how it holds up. Today the car's been great, never missed a beat. Hopefully you'll enjoy this footage. I've tried to get as much angles as I can, been a lot of fun. Yeah, time to get down the road now, get some breakfast. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!